Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple budget using Excel. And we are using Excel 2013, but all of Excel's versions are pretty similar. So if you have 2016 or a different year, it's not that different. Okay, making a budget is very easy. You just need to start off by thinking about all of the different bills that you have. Let's say you have an auto loan, you have an electric bill, you have a water bill, you have, what else would you have? Maybe Netflix. And you would also have insurance for your auto. And maybe you would have a credit card you're trying to pay off. And then let's say you have a mortgage, or this could be rent also. Let's see what else. You could have a budget for grocery store, for getting food, and maybe you have an entertainment budget. So let's call that going out on the weekend. Okay, let's say your auto loan is $300 a month, your electric bill is $100 per month, your water is $80 per month, Netflix is about $13 per month. Let's say your insurance is $150 per month, your credit card payment is $75 a month, your mortgage is $1,200 a month, that would be nice, and your groceries are about $200 per month, and go out on the weekend, you want to spend about $100 per month. Okay, so these are some examples of some bills, and let's say you are making about $2,000 per month, and that is after taxes, hopefully. Okay, so if you want to see, sorry about that, if you want to see how much you're spending each month, you can make a formula for the total of all of these. All you have to do is insert, and you'll do formula, and we're going to insert this auto sum. It already knows to add these up, so you'll just hit enter, and that's how much you're spending each month. Oh, so that is not good, because the difference between what you're making each month and the total of your bills is $218. Okay, right there, that shows you'd be exceeding your budget. So let's say you can't go out on the weekend, and let's say you're actually only paying rent about $1,000 a month. Much better. So if you want to see how much you'll have left over each month, we could do another formula, and we could take this one minus this one, and you have $82 each month. So you could use that for the weekend instead of the $100. And once you pay off that credit card, you'll have $157. If you can get your insurance down, you go up to $187. And if you get a roommate and you split the mortgage or the rent, that just went up a lot. So you could do a lot with that money, put it into your 401k, into investments, something like that. But this just shows you a very simple formula for doing a budget each month. And there are a lot more complex things you can do, but we'll do that in other videos. Thank you very much. This has been the Economical Tourist.